everyone, and thank you so much for visiting my channel. I want to take a few short minutes to explain the purpose of this channel and how to use it. I'm a computer instructor, and I've noticed that students are not memorizing what they need to know to pass their test. This channel is dedicated to students to start memorizing information they need on day one, as well as to those self-studying. First, you will come here to the learning videos, which repeat information 3 times over. It's best if you interact with it, so say it out loud. You can do this with me, or turn down the sound and say it by yourself. You should only need 15 or 20 minutes to be able to repeat them on your own without the video. After you have memorized or learned, then you'll need to keep reviewing the information daily until you take your test, so you won't forget it. This is what the review videos are for. It covers each item once. Watch it for 5 or 10 minutes. That should be all you need to help you retain information that you've learned. These videos are my beta in orange. I'm going to add some Easter eggs and change the formatting. When the A+ is done, it'll look similar to this. But until then, you can keep using my beta version to help you memorize now. The videos are typically over 2 hours long, which is way more than you should need, but I want you to have something that you can leave on and running in the background as you do other things, or you can play it while you sleep. Allowing the videos to play longer will also help me greatly and help me spend more time making more videos to help you memorize what you need to know to pass your certification test. Students need to memorize acronyms, vocabulary, and concepts. To get this channel started, I'll begin with acronyms for several CompTIA certifications. I'll come back and do the vocabulary and concepts later. I'll do mainly computer certs, and I'll branch out to the Microsoft courses and Cisco courses as well. Please enjoy using this channel. Please comment, let me know how I can make this channel better for you. And of course, like my videos and subscribe to my channel. That will really help. Thank you.